Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn about the body parts. Head. Head. H E A D. Head. Let's use the head to help Hannah cross the road. Turn your head left and right for a good and thorough sight. The coast is clear. Can Hannah cross the road now?
Yes, she can.
Well done, juniors. Shoulder. Shoulder. S H O U L D E R. Shoulder. Daniel wants strong shoulders. Let's help him by motivating him to do exercise. You can do it. Say it with me loud and clear. You can do it.
You can do it.
Well done, juniors. Exercise for strong shoulders. Then you can hold big boulders. Laziness is easy. Hard work is the key. This is head. This is shoulder. Chest. Chest. C H E S T. Chest. Johnny had pain in chest during the class. He informed his teacher immediately, so he got a chest X-ray. Look, here are the reports. Let's see what the doctor has to say.
Everything is fine. It must be indigestion.
Coming here was smart. Inside your chest is a heart. Never ignore any body pain. Eat healthy and train. Stomach. Stomach. S T O M A C H. Stomach. Lolo cannot stop eating junk food. It is not good for the stomach. Should we tell her this?
Yes, we should.
Alright, let's help Lolo. Come on, say it with me. No, Lolo, no.
No, Lolo, no.
Well done, juniors. Look at Lola's mother, and she has made so many healthy snacks for her. Don't forget to wash your hands before you eat. Give your parents love for this treat. This is chest. This is stomach. Thumb. Thumb. T H U M B. Thumb. Mr. Simon just watched a movie. He is using his thumb to show us if he liked it or not. Can you tell if he liked it? Thumbs up means he liked it. Thumbs down means he does not. It's a thumbs up. Did he like the movie?
Yes, he did.
Well done, juniors. Arm, arm, A, R, M, arm. Look, the boys are in an arm wrestling championship. It looks like fun. I wonder who will win. Always play by rules and never cheat. It can bring shame and at times harm you or your fellow opponent. This is thumb. This is arm. Knees, knees. K, N, E, E, S. Knees. Poor baby. Why is the baby crying? Looks like he wants to crawl, but his knees hurt. Let's get knee pads to protect knees. Look, the baby is happy and crawling. You can use knee pads to protect your knees from damage while skating or bike riding. Toes, toes. T, O, E, S. Toes. What a beautiful beach view. Come on, juniors, bring your 1 foot forward. Good job. Will you help me count the toes? Let's count the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes. We have 5 toes on each foot. Well done, juniors. These are knees. These are toes. Leg, leg. L, E, G, leg. Here we are at the park. We can observe how people are using their legs. Look, she is running. The guy is sweeping. Wow, a magic show. Looks like he wants to enjoy the show. He is sitting with his legs crossed. He wants to spend more time in the park. Hey, look out. Phew, that was close. He ran like a bullet. Music. He wants to dance. That guy is swinging his legs on the beat. This guy is squatting. It was a fun day out. Foot, foot. F, O, O, T, foot. Do you know our foot leave footprints? Let's see if you can guess the footprints. Elephant footprints. Dinosaur footprints. Human footprints. How many did you get right? This is leg. This is foot.
Subscribe. Like. Don't forget to press the bell icon.